As the pioneer of laser microprojection, Xiaomi ecological chain enterprise FENGMI Technology has been committed to promoting the progress of the projection industry and continues to create more diverse laser projection products for consumers. Just on October 20th, FENGMI Technology released 3 new products in one breath, which attracted great attention from the outside world, which fully symbolize FENGMI's determination to cultivate in the field of laser projection, and at the same time showed FENGMI's commitment to realizing the corporate mission of moving the theater home effort. Coincidentally, after the actual experience of the FENGMI X1 laser projector, which is known as an all-around artist, I will talk to you about the specific experience of use today, hoping to be of reference value to you. After removing the corrugated cardboard box used for logistics, the FENGMI X1 laser projector uses black gold as the main color, and the pure black inner box is decorated with simple lines and textures. At first glance, it looks quite low-key, elegant and high-end. After opening the package, you can see the FENGMI X1 laser projector body, 65-watt wired fast charging, remote control, 2 batteries, and instructions. The battery is taken into account when leaving the factory, which must be praised. In terms of appearance, the FENGMI X1 laser projector adopts a CNC metal body with a simple style. The volume is 219 by 117 by 25 mm. The body thickness of only 25 mm is very thin and light. It is not difficult to hold with one hand. In this way, the craftsmanship makes the product itself more artistic and elite. The left side of the FENGMI X1 laser projector body is marked with the words, "Beam into the future." The simple oblique striped shape on the side and the large-scale hollow appearance give people a strong sense of technology, and are also conducive to heat dissipation. The overall appearance of the product feels like a delicate line of technology in cold style. No matter what the decoration style of the home is, it is well integrated into it. The startup operation of the FENGMI X1 laser projector is also very simple, and it can be easily used without too much learning. After sliding the switch to the left, the internal sensor on the right can automatically identify whether there is any obstruction around it. If there is no obstruction, it will automatically turn on, otherwise it will turn off. There is also a small foldable bracket at the bottom of the projector, which can be adjusted according to your own needs during daily use. The rear side of the FENGMI X1 laser projector is also rich in interfaces, including Type-C charging interface, 3.5mm headphone interface, USB interface, and HDMI interface. We can connect external storage devices, notebooks, PCs, and other peripherals. Connect with a data cable to project the content on a larger screen and see it more clearly. What's more worth mentioning is that the FENGMI X1 laser projector also has a built-in 30-watt-hour battery, which is convenient for us to use it independently in scenes such as movie watching, office, study, camping, and games without power supply. The light source is a very critical component of the projector. At present, the home smart projector mainly uses the LED light source, and the FENGMI X1 laser projector is the homologous ALPD laser display technology, widely used in the laser projection hall of the cinema. This is based on laser excitation fluorescence. Rare earth materials have obtained the technology of hybrid multicolor laser display, which has the advantages of small size, lightweight, high brightness and energy efficiency, unmatched by other display technologies. FENGMI took the lead in applying ALPD laser technology to reduce the dimension of household smart projectors. It is precisely because of the more advanced technology that the FENGMI X1 laser projector is not only small in size, but also performs well in terms of screen brightness, contrast, and color reproduction, energy efficiency and other advantages. In addition, the FENGMI X1 laser projector is also equipped with a human body sensing sensor. The light can be dimmed immediately when someone approaches. It has SGS hardware level low blue light eye protection certification, filters more blue light, and the picture is not dazzling. From the actual use experience, also really good. With high appearance, the experience must also be of high specifications. It is officially claimed that the FENGMI X1 laser projector benefits from the operation of the FENGOS intelligent algorithm system, which brings technologies such as omnidirectional automatic keystone correction, sensorless focusing, automatic screen obstacle avoidance, and automatic screen alignment. What is the effect? Let's take a look together. First, put the FENGMI X1 laser projector at a distance of about 1 meter from the TV wall, and adjust the angle of the projector. When you first use it, you need to select keystone correction. At this time, the system will automatically correct it, no matter whether the projector can be adjusted automatically at any angle, which is really convenient. Immediately after that, we choose screen focus. During this process, the FENGMI X1 laser projector will automatically focus according to the recognized distance, without manual intervention, which is very fast. Secondly, the FENGMI X1 laser projector supports the automatic screen obstacle avoidance function, and there are 2 sockets under the wall at home. Another point is automatic screen alignment. FENGMI X1 laser projector can automatically identify the border of the screen, and then completely project the content on the border of the screen, which is a great peace of mind for novice users. In addition, the FENGMI OS system has no open screen advertisements, which is very pure, which is a lot better in experience than some manufacturers' forced start advertisements. It also supports Android devices. Apple devices also have various in-app screen projections, such as direct projection of work PPT or data tables, which is very convenient. So what about the actual audio and video experience of the FENGMI X1 laser projector? Compared with laser projection, one of the major drawbacks of traditional LED projectors of the same size is insufficient brightness and poor contrast. Either it can only be used at night, or the curtains must be drawn to watch TV during the day. The FENGMI X1 laser projector reaches 1400 ANSI lumens, and the picture is bright and clear. For example, in this picture, the separation between the subject and the background is very clean. The red wallpaper behind is also very bright. The outline of the word merit is very clear, and the white balance of the colorful metal has no color cast or distortion. Look at this one again. This is a relatively gray picture on the TV. The modeling details of the characters can also be clearly displayed. There is no obvious noise or smear on the flags on the table. The texture of the picture looks very comfortable. There is one more thing to mention here. The FENGMI X1 laser projector provides viewing mode, office mode and energy-saving mode to choose from. It has also been certified by an authoritative third-party agency to be true 1080p compatible with 4K decoding. The cooperation on the website is also in place, with direct access to one account, including more than 30,000 film sources, which is definitely a good plus. Of course, the FENGMI X1 laser projector uses customized dual 2-watt speakers, and more than 400 domestic theaters use the virtual sound field technology of China Atmos Wanos, so the details and separation of treble and bass can be heard, making the audio and video experience more enjoyable. Finally, the FENGMI X1 laser projector is equipped with Amlogic T972 chip and has 16 gigs high-speed flash memory. The menu settings of the remote control are also more concise and logical. Skilled use of the launch bit button on the upper left can quickly switch to a commonly used functions interface. If you are bored or have no time to sit in front of the TV often, maybe you can consider the FENGMI X1 laser projector. With its small and thin body, it can provide the same for your different needs in different places and different room scenes. Professional enjoyment of service. After using the FENGMI X1 laser projector during this period of time, its portability, image clarity, battery life, and sound quality performance can all make me look forward to this product. If I have to talk about the shortcomings, that is, the price of laser projectors is generally relatively high at present. Fortunately, the FENGMI X1 laser projector breaks through the fusion of laser projection and microprojection. It is a high-end differentiated product. The price of $630 is also quite sincere, so if the budget is sufficient, I personally think it is worth considering. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.